Everyone loves a clean home, but rarely does anyone want to tackle the dirty details. So there are some chores that you may never think to do when you live in a home. After all, removing heating registers to clean underneath them is the type of task that most people do not even know should be on the list. Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolfe with Berkshire Hathaway, Fox & Roach, and I'm so excited to share this list with you in preparation for 2022 spring sellers season on the main line and for nationwide. We are anticipating home prices to increase by up to double digits again. And thanks to continued constricted inventory and low mortgage rates, so really, the time is now to start preparing your home for sale. And here is the ultimate deep cleaning checklist for sellers. First, remove heating vents and clean behind and around them. Next, carefully scrub light switch plates and outlet covers. Clean around the doors, paying attention to the areas like doorknobs and frames and sliding door tracks. And always remember to dust light fixtures and ceiling fans. Then move to deep cleaning baths by scrubbing grout and caulking in your bathroom. And do not forget to clean the insides of your oven, your refrigerator, and medicine cabinets, because buyers really do look everywhere. And lastly, make sure your windows are in good shape with clean draperies and windows. The panes should be scrubbed inside and out, and remove that grimy water with a squeegee, and remove and launder any draperies or hangings and the dust on the blinds. An old sock over the hand works really well, and while these are not the most fun curb appeal tips on earth, they are most necessary. And if you're thinking about taking advantage of the market conditions on the main line, please reach out. I have some of the best reviews on the main line, and I'm ready to get your home sold for the best price and terms. Just see all of my resources below, from a seller seminar to my ebook. I have the experience it takes to sell your mainline home. Kimmy Rolfe sells the main line and local areas.